Hey gang, here's a TV I'm working on. All I do is plug it in and hook up an antenna. Need an antenna to run a TV. And my customer said to turn it on, and I'll see it blink on and off and act crazy. So here we go. We're going to turn it on. Bam. There's a little blue light at the bottom. See it? Curtis TV, and it turned on. Let's see. This is on channel Fox, channel 50 over an aerial with the antenna plugged in. Let me turn the volume up.
Yeah, they invited me in, but I said I'd rather pee on my feet while an azalea tickled my crack.
Actually, it's
Okay, the volume's up.
But probably not the salient part of your story.
You know, none of this would have happened if I had a key.
Oh, come on, we've been over this. I feel like I'm overstepping.
Okay, the customer.
By asking if my girlfriend can have a key.
Well, I feel like
Let me mute this. Let me turn it down.
I'm an unwelcome guest in this house.
Trying to turn it down. There you go. The customer said as soon as I turned it on, I'd see it blink on and off. And it blinky, blinky, blinky. And I go, oh, I'd understand something was wrong with it. Okay. What I'm seeing so far is my little cheap antenna up there. Where is it? There it is. Right there, a little piece of wire you see on the top of the TV. See it? Okay. That right there is an antenna I've got hooked up to this TV. Okay, any TV with an antenna will pick up local channels. Sometimes they're not so good because they don't have a good antenna, or they're in the wrong place to get reception. Either way, this is the end of this video. I would change channels, but they said turn it on and the TV would blink and blink a lot, and that's just bad reception. The TV's fine. These colors aren't so cool looking, but it actually looks better in person. I'm just going to shrink it down a little bit. There you go. Well, it's just too bright. But the TV looks great. It's a really pretty TV. They don't look like that. Oh my God. Take care, all my TV viewers, because I got to go. It's 3 minutes in. Bye-bye.